first Winter Games aja penrio belapan long de ginong tray secretariat lengbak sunjuk kubal tep kum Meghalaya Secretariat Services Association kabal sedang nadu ka arp sautelek pralengkot aja penrio klapoi no sya kecing penha perda ha ka lifeway trek pralengkot aja penrio ha ka jingelang kabal penlong ha usoso tham auditorium Shillong hangani kasngi lawan syem mantaru ba wailat miki shilla menteri berdikmi transport kum kongsan harangkar ka jingiran lang ba Lemuel Suchang president ka association ginong tray secretariat nalor kiwi pan lapani phu ipi ang igani jinglang dak jingtam gi jingroi no gisken na ginong tray gi badan ek trat ba fer ka secretariat bud kumjuru ka jingsami khusnam sig bele shemanta gi jingle kai ba fer bala penlong daka association ha ga jingi kran bad ba Lemuel ulang bagani ka disen ko banongkong bala penlong igani ka lempung kum kalar ban aipor ginong tray gi bala tray shitambro shisnam bakini shemanta ha gi jingle kai ba fer dolor ka taw lo ong bu dang khmilti ban penlong biang e kum gini gi lempung hagis number 1.
I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all of you to come out of your busy schedule and to organize this Winter Games. We do understand how busy you are, and especially when you are unfortunate, when you are attached like a minister like us, where you have to stay late. It would have not been easy. But in spite of that, to come and participate. Like the president have mentioned, he congratulated the winner and he said the loser. But I say, nobody is a loser. All of you are winners. Just by coming and participating shows your spirit. So when your president and secretary came to meet me regarding this, so I was quite happy. And at the same time, they requested me for the trophies and all. So I said, definitely, because I want our staff who are working in Secretariat also to do a little bit of exercise. So, once again, hats off to all of you, and especially to the President, Secretary, and the organizing committee. I know it won't have been easy for all of you. And as we all know, especially sports is very important. And with all of you, and the same goes to all of us. We know that during your childhood days or your younger days, many of you have many talent, which we already seen few of them here just now. Which out of pressure, out of your responsibility, you cannot continue to pursue it. So this is the right platform for all of you. And I could see the talent. Once again, very happy to be a part of this, and like Balami already announced that from the sports department, we will be supporting you, we will be sanctioning the trophies for this program. And I hope that in the coming years, it will be more grand and more beautiful. So with ketika program ka jongka sekretariat kemudian jongka MSCC kemudian ka Meklias Secretariat Services Association di ka kedaitan ka program ka jongki staff di sekretariat ka bakan thop na KLD atau joint secretary kita di kada jengi di ipat jadan menum gini gijat jingile kai ni Tristam bro sitio la man gasni ya trikam office tingi so bandan kam kumki staff jingile si gini ko forma bangin jele kai in simata nya nyesu tanat dei ni relax na ka kam tidak ka jingi jingbit na ka sarkar hi lalaban pelong yang ni tournament bro sitio kidan kembaki yang ni kidan ki games fair di bat hagni kesini beda ni aban perkut yang program ni Jenderal Kuae nak yang jingi ban pelong hek sini bayal semua working days mo kendai nak kita bom lakiar ni habat pelong utar sini si rai kai bami ni kalau ke basutrat sibon marba babon higi nak sementagi semha mar kali kesing meningkong kumki nang tei pos sekretariat bengi alat ban don kum gini ki bat ni nak jing tei lang hang ni kita ni sekretari nang ka sports committee ni kong junong bat beri chairman ba bat beri sekretari nang sports committee limba ke jing tei sistem tuki lalaban penyai bet ya ki gai berkhat bat ki sementa da ke jing songsit bro bat nginget skam ba nginang lap na peteng kum kini ka jingile kai action menangan bat lesi ke jing sementa jing ki staff ru kanang kiu sakran ti kalong kai ke ba sultanat nak yang kini kum kini penyai ba ni ke mensim ba ki kemen ba ki songsit ba ni sementa bat nginget sam ba kini ke mensim ba ki ni sementa jing ya no senyang habro ki yang kai mensim ngingi ru nginang lap na peteng kum kini kai berkhat wat ka jing sakri jengi kadai bangi sakri ka kam na mata ban penyai bet ka sarkar dai ha bangi yo am kini berkhat kalong jing ku kalong jing kemen
Habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
ka plus F
hakabam bangi bam duna ki eki batte ye kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi bana kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya